What's the meaning of assure? Assure. Assure.
Assure. Assure. The word assure means to make someone feel confident or certain about something, usually by giving them a guarantee or promise. It implies a sense of trust and reliability, and can be used in a variety of contexts such as business, law, and personal relationships. When someone is assured, they feel reassured that something will happen or be done in a certain way, giving them peace of mind and a sense of security. Overall, to assure someone is to provide them with a sense of certainty and confidence in a particular matter.